How to send disappearing messages to someone on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on any of the chat that you'd want to send a disappearing message to. So I'm going to select on a very random one over here. And what you need to do is tap on the profile icon or the profile name over here and simply select on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Here you can see the option of start secret chat. Tap on it and you can simply select on start. So an error has occurred, so let's do that again. So I think it doesn't work over here as of now, so let's do that for another account. Let's tap on start secret chat and then tap on start, and as you do that you'll be able to have or send a disappearing message to someone on Telegram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.